Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 6 best 50-inch TVs, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 6 50-inch TVs. Number 1. 49-inch Samsung MU8000. The MU8000 series is one of Samsung's upper mid-range models for 2017. The 49-inch version retails for about $700 on Amazon, though it's sometimes much more expensive in other online locations. For that price, you get 4K resolution, HDR compatibility, and very good overall picture quality. The MU8000 also features Samsung's 2017 array of minimalist design details like the One Connect Mini and super simplified One Remote Control. It's a well-polished package and delivers a lot of value. Read the full review. Number 2. 50-inch Vizio M Series, 2017. Vizio's M Series is consistently one of the best values around thanks to its combination of 4K/UHD resolution, high dynamic range, cool smart features, with every size priced well compared to the competition. The 50-inch is no exception, and it might be the best value in the series. You can find the 50-inch Vizio M Series right around $600 online, which is an excellent price for such a well-rounded performer. Read the full review. Number 3. 50-inch Vizio E Series, 2017. A step down from the M Series, Vizio's 2017 E Series leans towards the more affordable end of the spectrum, but still delivers a 4K resolution screen, high dynamic range, and a simple smart interface and UI. It's not the fanciest looking TV and doesn't perform with quite the same panache as the M Series, but the 50-inch option still delivers incredible value, especially considering you can find it under $500 online. Read the full review. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4. 49-inch Samsung MU7000. Samsung's MU7000 series is an upper mid-range set of 4K/UHD TVs that deliver attractive designs, sleek smart features, and solid picture quality that includes HDR compatibility. They're very polished and attractive TVs, definitely leaning towards better design than most of the sets on the list. The only downside is that there are quite a few pretty good 50-inch TVs for under $500, and you're paying more here for the MU7000's minimalist design and polished interiors. If you don't mind paying more for quality, though, the MU7000 is a good choice. Read the full review. Number 5. 49-inch TCL-S series. The TCL-S series is one of the year's most affordable TV collections, but each TV in this set still delivers perfectly acceptable picture quality, 4K resolution, and HDR compatibility. You can get the 49-inch S series for just $360 online, which is a crazy price for a big 4K/HDR TV. The only real drawback here is that the HDR playback just doesn't look impressive, at all. The TV looks basically the same playing HDR content as normal content. But for this price, it's a pretty minor complaint. Read the full review. Number 6. 50-inch Samsung MU6300. The 50-inch Samsung MU6300 is one of Samsung's most affordable 4K/HDR TVs from 2017. It delivers the same posh design and svelte smart features as the other Samsung TVs on this list, but at around $480 online is by far the most affordable. As you might expect, the drawback here is that the TV's HDR performance just isn't going to blow anyone away. It's a bit pricey for what you're getting but is also one of the most handsome TVs in this price range. Read the full review. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So these are the best 50-inch TVs, which you can buy in this year. If you know any other 50-inch TVs, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.